Welcome to my channel. Please showing my top 5 best products review.
Product review number 1.
Keepmy 100 feet LED strip lights RGB music sync color changing. Experience the vibrant and immersive lighting of the Keepmy 100 feet LED strip lights RGB. With these color changing LED lights, you can create a personalized atmosphere in any indoor space. The special feature of color changing allows you to choose from 16 million colors, providing endless possibilities for customization. Whether you want to set a relaxing mood or create a party ambience, the Keepmy LED strip lights have got you covered. Setting up the Keepmy LED strip lights is a breeze. With the stable Bluetooth connection, you can easily control the lights using the app or the included IR remote control. Adjust the brightness, choose different modes such as flashing or fading, and even set a timer for automatic on-off functionality. The adhesive backing makes installation quick and effortless, allowing you to stick the lights to any clean and dry surface. Pros: customizable color options with 16 million choices. Music sync feature creates an immersive experience. Easy control through the app or remote control. Timer setting for convenient automation. Long 100-foot length for versatile placement in various rooms. Cons: limited to indoor use only. Adhesive may lose its stickiness over time and require reinforcement.
Product review number 2.
Guppy Smart LED Strip Lights. 16.4 feet Wi-Fi LED light strip work. Experience the convenience and versatility of the Guppy Smart LED strip lights in your home. With 16.4 feet of length, these LED lights offer vibrant and even illumination to enhance various spaces such as your bedroom, kitchen, TV area, or gaming room. Boasting 150 LED beads, they provide ample brightness to create an inviting atmosphere. Kindly note that these lights are intended for indoor utilize just and are not waterproof. Controlling the Guppy LED strip lights is a breeze with the Guppy Home app. This wireless smart app allows you to customize your lighting experience with features like the DIY mode, where you can create your unique lighting patterns. Additionally, the convenient timer function lets you set schedules for your lights, adding a touch of automation to your home decor. Take your home ambience to the next level with the music sync feature of the Guppy LED strip lights. Because of the underlying mic, these lights can synchronize with music, making an enrapturing visual presentation that moves alongside your main tunes. Transform your space into a personal disco or set the mood for a party with this dynamic feature. Installing the Guppy LED strip lights is quick and hassle-free. The all-in-one light kit includes an ETL listed adapter, strong adhesive, and support clips for added security. Simply attach the lights to any dry and clean wall, and reinforce them with the clips. In no time, you'll have a staggering lighting arrangement that improves the mood of your living space.
Product review number 3.
Unicron 100-foot waterproof LED strip lights. 50/50 RGB LED lights. Upgrade your lighting setup with the Unicron 100-foot waterproof LED strip lights. With 6 rolls of 16.4 feet long, these RGB drove lights offer a staggering showcase of 16 million tones and are ideally suited for enlightening each edge of your home, whether it's the room, parlor, or even outside regions. The transparent epoxy surface not only makes the lights waterproof but also protects the LED chips, ensuring durability and longevity. Safety is a top priority with the Unicron LED strip lights. Operating at 12V low voltage and 3A high current, they provide high brightness while remaining safe for you and your family. The light strips feature a service life of up to 50,000 hours, and the included power supply ensures stable and reliable performance. With the timing setting and sync music function, you can easily create a party atmosphere as the lights automatically turn on/off at your desired time and change color and brightness in response to music beats. Controlling the LED strip lights is a breeze with the Bluetooth app, remote control, and power controller. You have the opportunity to look over 16 million tones and effectively change the brilliance and tint to suit your inclinations. Whether it's Christmas, Halloween, birthday celebrations, or some other event, these flexible lights are ideally suited for making a happy feeling. The package includes all the necessary components for installation, and the adhesive backing ensures easy attachment to various surfaces.
Product review number 4.
Keepsmile 100 feet LED strip lights, 2 rolls of 50 feet, Bluetooth smart app music. Enhance your space with the Keepsmile 100 feet LED strip lights. This package includes 2 rolls of 50 feet LED light strips that can be easily controlled using the Keepsmile app or the included remote control. With the ability to stick these lights around your ceiling, cabinets, or bed frame, you have the freedom to create stunning lighting effects throughout your home. One of the standout features of these LED strip lights is the music and light dance mode. Additionally, the special timer function allows you to set the wake up time and end time, turning the lights on and off automatically, making it a fun light alarm clock for your kids. The 100 feet LED strip lights are flexible, allowing you to easily bend them around corners without worrying about damage. Installation is a breeze thanks to the strong adhesive backing, ensuring a secure attachment to various surfaces. However, it's essential to take note that these Drove strip lights are not waterproof and ought to be utilized solely inside. Pros: convenient control via the Keepsmile app or remote control, music and light dance mode for a dynamic lighting experience. Special timer function acts as a light alarm clock. Flexible strips that can be easily bent around corners. Easy installation with strong adhesive backing. Cons: not waterproof. Suitable for indoor use only. Limited to a length of 100 feet.
Product review number 5.
10 Moreau LED lights for bedroom 100 feet, 2 rolls of 50 feet, music sync color changing strip lights. Get ready to transform your bedroom or party space with the 10 Moreau LED lights for bedroom 100 feet. This package includes 2 rolls of 50 feet LED strip lights that offer endless possibilities for creating a vibrant and dynamic atmosphere. With music sync functionality, these lights change color and pattern in rhythm with the sound and music, adding a touch of excitement to your parties and gatherings. Controlling these LED strip lights is a breeze. You can use the 44-key IR remote control or the intuitive app to select colors, change modes, adjust brightness, and even set up smart timing. With millions of different colors and 25 pre-set modes, you can personalize your lighting experience and create unique color combinations to brighten up your life. Installing these LED lights is quick and easy. Simply stick them to a clean and dry surface, and you're ready to enjoy the stunning strip lighting effect. The 100-foot length of these lights is perfect for covering an entire room and illuminating any space, whether it's your bedroom, living room, or even your computer desk. They are especially ideal for holiday event decorations like Christmas, Halloween, parties, birthdays, and New Year celebrations. Pros:
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product.